the H1B guy here. And today, high skilled immigration absent from President Biden's 2023 State of the Union address. But before we get started, I'd like to ask you, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the H1B Guy channel here on YouTube and like this video so that I can continue to produce more content like this for you. I also wanted to mention that H1B Guy offers a variety of consulting services. I help businesses and individuals solve complex work authorization issues in the recruitment process while bringing awareness to employment based immigration benefits. If I can help you, please reach out. I'd love to hear how. And you can book an appointment directly with me via the h1bguy.com. Today's post is brought to you by Syndesis and Path to Canada, the ideal Plan B for high-skilled immigrants currently located in the U.S. whose status may be uncertain. At PERM-Ads.com, the industry leader in providing a seamless experience for employers and immigration attorneys navigating the complex PERM recruitment ad phase of the labor certification process. And by Mob Squad. Are you a technology professional facing U.S. work visa-related uncertainty? Don't leave your fate up to chance. Partner Mob Squad has a solution. Join the squad. Well, President Biden took to the House of Representatives chamber floor to deliver his annual State of the Union obligation on Tuesday, February 7th, 2023, a little after 9 p.m. Eastern Time. For the first time during his presidency, President Biden presented his address to a completely full chamber, with COVID-19 restrictions now a thing of the past. The speech spanned more than an hour and covered a wide variety of issues. However, the one issue that was barely mentioned was that of immigration. Even more noticeably absent was any reference to employment-based high-skilled immigration. It is worth mentioning that the passing of the CHIPS Act was promoted as a significant success for the Biden administration in 2022, and that is something that I'll not dispute. Is its future impact on technology and engineering jobs is something that we will witness, I believe, in the next few years. So, what did President Biden have to say about immigration? Quote, let's also come together on immigration and make it a bipartisan issue like it was before. If we don't pass my comprehensive immigration reform, at least pass my plan to provide the equipment and officers to secure the border and a pathway to citizenship for dreamers and those on temporary status, farm workers, and essential workers. So he continues to hold on to the concept of comprehensive immigration reform. Anyone remember the Day One U.S. Citizenship Act of 2021? I covered that video way back in January of 2021, and I'll put a link in the video description below. It does appear he's beginning to change his tune on the standalone pieces of individual legislation approach for immigration reform, while focusing primarily on illegal and undocumented immigration. As I said over 2 years ago, back in December of 2020, that we could expect a lot of the same when it comes to immigration reform under the Biden administration, which was basically to do nothing. I will say he has done something, and that is repealing some of the very desperate Trump administration immigration final rules that were issued late in 2020. After hearing this address, I will say I'm less than hopeful for any beneficial bipartisan immigration reform that's specific to employment-based high-skilled immigration in 2023 or anytime soon, really. It feels like the Biden administration will continue to use the methods of notice for proposed rulemaking, as well as possibly future executive orders, as their way of modifying existing employment based preferences. The green card backlog continues to grow. The H1B lottery continues to be labeled a fraud, and all while visa processing times remain at historically high weights. For the full post on high skilled immigration absent from President Biden's 2023 State of the Union address, please check out the H1BGuy.com. And a reminder that today's post is brought to you by Syndesis and Path to Canada, the ideal plan B for high skilled immigrants currently located in the U.S. whose status may be uncertain. If you're facing an H1B denial or OPT expiration, don't get caught off guard. Make sure you have a plan B, and Syndesis and Path to Canada are your answers. They'll gladly help you navigate the process, and if you'd like to find out if you qualify, please be sure to use the link in the video description below, and someone from Syndesis or Path to Canada will be in touch. And by PERM-Ads.com, the industry leader in providing a seamless experience for employers and immigration attorneys navigating the complex PERM recruitment ad phase of the labor certification process. If you're looking to reduce your costs and overhead associated with PERM labor certification recruitment advertising, let PERM-Ads.com help you. And by Mob Squad, are you a technology professional facing U.S. work visa-related challenges? Don't leave your fate up to chance. Our partner Mob Squad has a solution. Mob Squad helps technology professionals facing U.S. work visa-related uncertainty remain working with their current U.S. company, nearshore from Canada, as well as technology professionals from around the world who are seeking an opportunity to find a rewarding career in North America. Through their partnership with the Canadian government, they can obtain a Canadian work permit for you and your spouse in as little as 8 weeks. So whether you're looking to stay working with your current U.S. company or you want to find a new opportunity in Canada, please find out how the team at Mob Squad can help you via the link in the video description below. Join the squad. Just wanted to ask you again to please like this video, subscribe to the H1B Guy channel here on YouTube, and click the bell for notifications so that you're notified anytime we post new content here to this channel. If you've made it this far, I just want to say thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I really appreciate your support. The H1B Guy, your global source for all things H1B.